Write the biggest possible 3-digit number and the smallest possible 3-digit number using the given digits. Subtract one from the other. The given digits are 3, 5, 4. Now let us make the biggest possible 3-digit number. 5, 4, 3. Now make the smallest possible 3-digit number. So 3 should take, small number should take in the beginning. 3, then 4, then 5. We know that from the biggest number we can subtract the smaller number. So here out of given two numbers which we got by 3, 5, 4, one is 543, second one is 345. Now let us arrange the numbers and do the subtraction. 543 minus 345. We have to start from the unit place. 3 minus 5 we cannot do, so we will borrow from the tens place. Here we have 4 tens. Out of 4 tens we have to borrow only 1 10. When you borrow 1 10, this you have to strike out and write 3 tens here. 4, from 4 you are borrowing 1. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. 1 10 which you borrowed, that will give you 110 means 10 units. 10 units you got from 110 plus already we have here 3 units. So 10 units plus 3 units, that will give us 13 units. So this 13 you have to write here, and this 3 you have to strike it out. Now 13 minus 5, 13 is bigger than 5. So here we can subtract. Since we don't have 13 fingers, this 13 number we have to keep in our mind, and 5 you have to subtract like this by counting backward. What comes before 13? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we will have here 8. Now 3 minus 4. 3 tens minus 4 tens we can't do. Then what we will do? We will go to the next place and borrow. The next place is here 100 place. 5 hundreds are there. From 5 hundreds you have to take 100. You have to borrow 100. If you borrow 100 from 5 hundreds, you will have here 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 hundreds. And we know that 10 tens give us 100. That means 100 means 10 tens. 10 tens plus, here we have 3 tens. That will give 13 tens. So here we have to write 13 and this 3, strike it out. Now 13 tens minus 4 tens we have to do. Now 13 is bigger than 4. 13 keep in your mind, and 4 you have to subtract by doing backward counting. 12, 11, 10, 9. So 9 is the answer here. So you got here 9. Now in the 100 place you have 4 hundreds. From 4 hundreds you have to minus 300. So 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3. So 100 is left. So the answer is 198. In this manner we can do the remaining sums.